Hi guys!
What's up everybody?
Today we're having another mukbang. It's been a while since we do any of these. Well, the at home ones. Always on the road eating. So today on the menu we have...
Well, before we do any of this,
Oops.
let's go back to see how we prep all of this goodness. And then you'll definitely see what we're eating here.
Short action.
And
Prego sauce.
and it is yummy. Tastes good. It really tastes good. And we have the cute macaroni, the ones that shape like a bow.
Because she wanted to choose that one.
So they're cute. That's why.
So to wash all of this down, we'll be drinking sparkling ice. One is pink grapefruit, and the other one is coconut pineapple. So the pink one is ready, of course.
So it said have 0 sugar.
It's really
It tastes good. It tastes good, man. What tastes coconut, man? What is it? Coconut. Coconut pineapple, let's see. That one here tastes good. You know make it taste better, right? Like a rum.
Just a rum.
So you see the video where Spice daughter prank her? You watch it?
Hey guys, today is my first vlog and I'm about to prank my mom that the TV is broken. So guys, shh, I'm about to start. Mom! Mom! Mommy! Come! Come downstairs quick! Come! Come! This one's for the TV. What? He's a girl, YouTube, and you just press. Mommy!
Hey, no, don't joke with me. Don't joke with me. Don't stop me. Come on, for now, lady. Don't joke with me.
Steve will put the Tyrone video in.
Don't joke with me. I can't be like a thing without reading this. I'm trying to.
I'm say a joke quick.
Don't joke with me, Nicholas.
Hey, Nicholas ain't go get some bitch looking up.
You don't even know. He's a lucky little boy. Spicy got crippling.
I'm not telling you that. This tastes good, man.
Y'all should try this. Quantrang would say pump for this. This is really delicious. You have to try it. Really delicious. And it says zero sugar. So for the health conscious people like myself, it is good.
Whoops.
0 carbs, 0 sugar.
I know so we need to do more mukbangs.
Y'all think we should do more mukbangs? Let us know.
Well, the at-home one is the ones where you cook. The ones where you cook. And me eat.
The only thing I would change is to make the ground beef a little bit more saucy. I think the ratio, the ground beef ratio to Pringles sauce was off.
Very content.
Maybe I used too much.
Content.
Maybe I used too much ground beef.
No. Maybe it's not enough Prego.
I have no Prego. Still good. Still delicious, guys. Well, that's that. So just a simple video, quick cook. Quick cook.
So
Quick
for their
eat.
home, so for their head, I don't know what to prepare. Here's an idea. It's so easy.
It's very easy.
That's easy. I didn't even have to drink this milk because sugar and water. Yeah.
Our water.
I just plain
But this
water.
is really
Just
nice, so
enough.
I'd recommend this.
Just enough.
It's sparkling ice. Coconut pineapple, this flavor. Naturally flavored sparkling water, they say. And it's 0 carbs, 0 sugar. 0 calories. But oh well. But it's really nice. Try it out. So if you want us to do more mukbangs, at home mukbangs, you want to watch me cook and eat, let us know in the comments. Alright?
What he said.
In the meantime,
In between time.
like, subscribe and share.
Oh! The analytics something about that this come about them.
Oh yeah, we check my analytics and find out that 80% that when I watch the video them, I want to subscribe. Why? 80% I want to subscribe. So remember guys, while you're enjoying the videos, if you're enjoying the videos, subscribe, like and share. Alright? Belly full.
My belly food. Food nice. My belly happy.
I'm out of here, gym time.
Okay, bye. Okay guys, until next time. Say,
No.
we're coming dates again.
Alright, go ahead.
Until next time.